Hello students, today we are going to know about experiment of monohybrid cross in guinea pig. Many geneticists perform monohybrid cross with animals and often result like that of Mendel. Here we going to know about monohybrid cross experiment on guinea pig. When pure or homozygous black-haired guinea pigs were crossed artificially with pure or homozygous white-haired guinea pig. In all the F1 hybrid guinea pigs appeared black-haired. Let's see the cross. Pure black here. This is the hair color of guinea pig, means it is phenotype. Pure white and pure black, these are phenotype. So what is the genotype of pure black guinea pig? Capital B, capital B. And the genotype of white hair guinea pig is small b, small b. Capital B is the gene which is responsible for black hair, and small b is the gene which is responsible for white hair color. During fertilization, male gamete and male gamete fertilize female gamete, and then zygote are produced. So first, during gametogenesis is the process in which gametes are produced. So during gametogenesis, pure black guinea pig and pure white guinea pig produce capital B and small b gametes respectively. Let's see. From pure black guinea pig, capital B gamete produced, and pure white guinea pig small b gamete produced. So during fertilization, after fertilization, male gamete fertilized female gametes. So after that, in F1, capital B and small b, this is the genotype of F1 generation. So what will be the phenotype? Capital B is the dominant trait and small b is the recessive. Means capital B means black color here is the dominant trait of guinea pig, and small b a small pure white means white color here is the recessive trait of guinea pig. So two contrasting allele present in zygote, so which one is dominant is expressed over the recessive. So the phenotype of this genotype is black, but what kind of black? That is hybrid. Clear? What kind of black? That is so hybrid black guinea pig. Next, so we marked it. These are gametes. And after fertilization the zygote which is produced, that is means the F1 offspring, which is black color, but what kind of black? That is hybrid. Next, second step, that is again further cross between two hybrid black guinea pig, and the offspring that are produced we found in the checkerboard. We can also write here heterozygous black. Both the thing are same. Next, again fertilization. So capital B, capital B, capital B, small b, capital B, small b, small b, small b. How we, this is the F2 generation. How we get this result? Again further cross takes place between this F1 offspring. This step I showing here. Capital B, small b, capital B, small b. This is heterozygous black guinea pig, and this one also heterozygous black guinea pig. Hybrid or heterozygous, same. From here, during gametogenesis, gamete capital B, small b gametes are produced. These are gametes. So these gametes I put in checkerboard. So before that you write here checkerboard of F2 generation. Clear? So we mark male and female. Next we put male gametes here. Next here female gametes, means what is the female gamete? Ova, and male gamete is the sperm. So next start the cross. Capital B, capital B, capital B, small b, capital B, small b, and small b, small b. So these are all genotype. So now we write the phenotype of each and every genotype of the guinea pig. So capital B, capital B. Capital B is the dominant trait. So B represent the black hair color of the guinea pig. So we write here pure or homozygous. Anyone you can write. Pure black guinea pig. Next, what you write here? Hybrid or heterozygous black guinea pig. Same way, hybrid or heterozygous, anyone you can write. Hybrid black guinea pig, and this one, small b is the recessive trait. Small b represent, small b, this allele represent the white hair color of the guinea pig. So small b, that is small b, we write here pure white guinea pig. Now we frame a table of calculation, what we found in F2 generation. Phenotypic and genotypic ratio of F2 generation shown in checkerboard. First we write in this column phenotype. Next we write here genotype. Next we write here genotypic ratio. Next, last column we write here phenotypic ratio. So now my students, tell me, what are the phenotypes you got from this F2 generation checkerboard? 2. One, black. Another one, that is white. So now write down the genotype. How many, what are the combination of black you got in this checkerboard? Pure black, that is genotype capital B, and hybrid black, that is capital B, small b. Both represent black color here of the guinea pig. So next, pure white, only one combination, small b, small b. Now calculate the genotypic ratio. How many capital B you found in the cross, found in the checkerboard? That is 1 capital B 1, that is 1 homozygous black hair guinea pig. How many hybrid black you got here? 2, that is capital B small b 2, and 1 pure white guinea pig in the checkerboard of F2 generation. Now calculate the phenotypic ratio. Total number of black 1 plus 2, that is 3, and how many white here guinea pig is there? Only 1. So genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross 1:2:1. 1:2:1, and phenotypic ratio that is 3:1. 1 means 1 is to 2 means here one homozygous black hair guinea pig, two heterozygous black hair guinea pig, and one homozygous white hair guinea pig. But the expression how many black hair? That is 3. 2 heterozygous, 1 homozygous. Total 3 black hair guinea pig and 1 white hair guinea pig. Means phenotypic expression, phenotypic ratio means what is expressed outside. Expression of the gene, that is phenotype, and combination of gene, that is genotype. So that's all about monohybrid cross. Please remember this phenotypic and genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross. This is very important for you.